welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to go over 5 different kinds of tosses that you can do with your whip. So a toss is just when you throw your whip and let go of it entirely for a moment. Now, this is not going to be an in-depth tutorial, so if you want me to make a tutorial on one of these tosses, definitely let me know in the comments below. And without further ado, let's get started on our 5 tosses. So number 1, we are starting off very simple. It's just going to be under the arm toss. So really just letting go over your arm in that smooth motion. Number 2, you have the behind the back over the shoulder toss. So you are going to be going in your backwards plane, over your shoulder, and let it go in front of you. So I'll show you from behind. Number 3, we have behind the back toss. This one is a little bit more difficult than the first 2. For the behind the back toss, it is all about letting go at the right moment to make sure you keep that momentum going. Otherwise, you will drop it, which I have done multiple times before. Number 4, we have under the leg toss, and I actually do have an in-depth tutorial on this one already, and I will link it for you guys in this video if you want to go give it a look. So much like your arm toss, same concept, but with your leg. Now the last kind of toss, which I think looks the coolest, and honestly it's not as complicated as it looks, is the stall toss. So for your stall toss, we're going to stall the whip downwards. So remember, a stall is when you stop the motion of the whip entirely. Then you are going to spin it in clockwise motion, let go, and catch it by the handle. So, stop. Those are 5 different ways to get started on some toss ideas with your whip. As always, happy whipping, and I will see you guys in the next one.